yourself.
Okay.
Yeah. So see how you hold it more.
So down
like
here.
that. Do you see how there's like more control? Does that make
Yeah,
sense?
yeah. No, it feels more like an extension of the hand as it's probably designed to be.
Yes.
Yeah.
See, but it's little things, but they're game changers.
Totally. It's always the little things, right?
Did your mom cook growing up? Like, how was it in your house growing up?
Yeah, my mom did. She cooked as much as she could. She worked a lot, and so a lot of times dinner was pretty basic. Just the one. Oh, there's the other. But when she had the time to cook, she did, and she was great at it. And she was a great cook. Her mom was an exceptional cook. She was really like
And she was Puerto Rican.
Yeah, and she lived with us for a while, and that was the best. I mean, all of my friends would come over to eat her food. That was the best.
What was your favorite dish that she would make?
Rice and beans. She made pollo guisado that I loved. I loved her pollo guisado. It's probably my favorite. Yeah.
Okay. Next time we'll make pollo guisado then.
Yes.
Because I love pollo guisado.
So good.
But with that
so good. Shout out to Grandma Elsie. What I used to do, and I haven't done it in a long time, but I would take all of this, blend it in a blender, and then put it in the ice cube tray. And you keep it in the ice cube tray in the freezer, and then anytime you need it, you just pop one in.
This is like a Puerto Rican pro tip 101. Make your sofrito, blend it up, put it in ice trays, and keep it in your freezer. You don't want to be at a Puerto Rican's house and be drunk and be trying to make a drink. Next thing you know it,
that might be good with the tequila though. I don't know. That might be pretty good.
I'm just saying, I'm guaranteed that's happened before. Like, I don't know, this drink tastes a little different.
Damn, what is this? This is...
It's fragrant.
It's a little bit garlicky.
Save time and buy frozen shrimp, you can, but I don't know, I feel like...
Yeah, no, I honestly suggest, like, in the kitchen, take your time. Stop trying to save time in the kitchen. Save time in some other places. Take your time in the kitchen. You're nourishing your body. This is your medicine. This is a way to just slow down and enjoy and find the enjoyment in the cooking, and as well as the eating. Don't just rush to get to the eating part. There's a lot of satisfaction in doing this work, and so that would be my suggestion.
For sure. I really can't express the importance of a sofrito. This is like the base of most of the things
yes.
you cook. And it's like, once you have this...
What else do you really need, honestly?
You can throw anything in here, it's gonna be good.
Smells like my childhood.
Aw, that's like my favorite sentence. You scoop a little bit.
That's probably a little.
That's
it's like almost
a
little too much. A little too much, yeah.
But
you want to be able to fold them. I know you want to bite in and.
Plus, you're the one. You're the one that's folding them, so you have fun.
Yeah, I'll deal with it. I'll deal with it.
Okay.
These are a disaster, but you know, we could clean that up. Terrible. I needed a teaspoon then.
I don't know if it's the spoon's fault, but it's all right. Okay, so guys, for those watching at home, what I like to do is I like to put it in my hand. You press it on the ends like this. See how it's all inside? Yes. Press it a little more. When you do it in your hand, it's
makes
way more
difference,
control of it. So you get that beautiful crust on the outside. This is the most exciting part. Oh, look at that.
Nice, look at that. Wow.
Beautiful.
Perfect timing on that. It really is pretty. Yeah.
All right, guys. These are beautiful, Adam.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Wow.
You know, my technique is impeccable.
If it doesn't work out for you in acting, empanada making, for sure. Now let's see if they actually taste good.
Let's see. It still seems pretty hot to dive into.
Hot. I'm gonna take that chance.
I'm gonna have a blister on her lip that looks like an empanada. Like, you know.
It's chocolate.
Is it good?
I would do it. Let's do it.
Not bad.
I'm gonna need you to use another adjective.
It's delicious.
Thank you.
Just go.
Okay.
Wow, that is good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Until next time, people. Whip it up.